Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve day 26 problem of this month on LeetCode. If you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. So in this problem we have to find the same tree. Okay, so how we are going to approach this problem? So let's take this example. So these are the two trees given to us. Okay, this is a one tree 1 and this is a tree 2. Okay, and we have to find whether these two trees are same or not. So first in this problem we are going to check if the roots of both the trees are null. Okay, if the roots of both the trees are null, then in that case we have to simply return true, right? Because let's say this is a tree 1 and this is tree 2. Okay, and if both the trees doesn't have any root value is null only, then definitely there is no tree. Okay, in that case we have to simply return the true value, right? And now for this example, first we are going to check if the root value of tree 1 is equal to the root value of tree 2. So yeah, both are matching. After that, let's check the left part of our tree. Okay, so here I move to the left. I move to the left in this tree 1, and same way I move to the left to the tree 2. Okay, now when I move to the left of tree 1, then I reach at this node. Okay, when I move to the left of my tree 2, I reach at this node. Okay, so again I'm going to check if my this value is equal to this value. So yes, this is right. Now if this is right, now again I move to the left part of my tree. Okay, again I am going to move to the left part of tree, and here also again I am going to move to the left part of tree. Okay, but here the values are null, right? If the values are null, then I am going to return true. Okay, then I am going to return true here. So I have returned true here at this particular part. Okay, now again I reach at this 2. Now I'm going to move to my right. Okay, so here I move to my right, and again here I move to my right. Okay, so now again both the sides the values are null, right? Both the sides values are null. So I have to return what? I have to return true. So from here also I am returning true. Okay, so this true I am again returning back. Now I am going to check for the right part. Okay, in the left part I get the values total as true. Okay, in the left part I get the values as total true. Now when I move to the right of this, so I reach at this 3 and this 3. So values are matching, so we proceed further. Again now I am going to check for the left of my this root. Okay, so left of this root is null. Left of this root, this is a new root na? Once I reach here, so it is null. Okay, so here I am going to return true if both are null. Now I reach at this right. So when I reach at this right, again I check if both are true. Yes, both are true, both are null. So simply we are going to return true. So overall, if the left part of my tree 1 is equal to left part of my tree 2, and if right part of my tree 1 is equal to right part of tree 2, then in that case I have to simply return my output as true. Okay. Okay, and what are the base conditions going to be? So let's say if in this is tree 1 and this is tree 2. Okay, base conditions are, let's say in tree 1 the root node is value is 3, and in T2 it is null, nothing is there. So in that case we have to return false, both the trees are not identical. Okay, this is one scenario. Let's say these two are trees, tree 1 and tree 2. Okay, so in this case one node the left of a tree root of a tree 1 is 2, and here this is tree 2, and here there is no left, but there is right. Okay, so in this case also we have to return false, because this is root. Okay, let's consider I am here. So root dot right of t1 is null, but root dot right of tree 2 is 2. So both values are not matching. Okay, so in that case I have to return false. Okay, so you will get clear idea with this code, and code is going to be very simple, just 2-3 or mostly I can write it in 2-3 lines as well, but in order to explain it in better way, let me write it in around 8 to 9 lines. Okay, so first let's get started with the core part. So in this method, one is root node of p is given, and q3 root is given. So okay, so first check if p is equal to null and q is equal to null. That simply means that both the trees are null. Okay, so in that case I have to simply run true. Okay, this is done. Now let's suppose if one tree is null and okay, if one tree, let's write it like this: if p is equal to null, or you can write like this, yeah, q is equal to null. Okay, if both the conditions are not satisfied, this simply means, because here we are checking both the trees are null, then we return true, and this condition is going to mean that if only one tree is null and one is not, okay, in that case I have to return false. Okay, because I have already checked this condition here where both the trees are null. Here I am checking after that if only one of the trees is null. Okay, so this is done. Now also I have to check the values. So for that p dot val is not equal to q dot val. In that case I have also I need to return false if this is the condition. Okay, so these are the base conditions for this. Now let's create two variables of boolean type. Boolean left tree same, left tree, if left tree is same, and one more boolean right tree same. Okay, right tree same. Okay, so in this boolean left tree I'm going to check the left part of my both trees. So simply I'm going to call this function again and again, okay, for the left part. But there is only one change in here. I'm going to pass p dot left value, and here I'm going to pass q dot left value to check the left tree. Okay, q dot left. This is done. Now same way I have to check the right part. So for the right part I have to again call this method, and here I'm going to pass p dot right, and q dot right. Okay, so in the end we are checking if both the left part of both the trees and right part of both the trees are same or not. So simply I can write like this: int left tree same and right tree same. Okay, if this condition is going to be true, then in that case, if both the conditions are true, then we are returning true. That's the simple meaning of this AND, right? So let's run it. So all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit our code and see the runtime. So our solution is accepted and runtime is 0 milliseconds, and it beats 100% of users with Java. So I hope that you guys are clear with today's problem. If you guys still have any question, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.